One of the features that's been added in version 18 is the ability to enter deferred price contracts. In order to show you what's involved here, we're going to set up a deferred price contract for 7,800 bushels and a couple of customer numbers, number 90 and 95. And then we'll show you what the difference is between a deferred price contract and just a regular contract. So let's first of all go into examine change customers, go into customer number 90, and we'll set up the contract. Notice there are no contracts at all. We're going to add a contract. Contract number is going to be asterisk 3851, and the asterisk again is because it's a global contract that's going to cover more than one farm. The date of the contract is 03/15/15. Ending date is 08/01/15. And the contract price, this is where we do the business with putting a minus 1.0 to indicate that it's deferred pricing, as you see indicated there in blue to the right of the contract price. Contracted amount was the 7,800 bushels, and delivered amount is 0, and at that point we will add the contract. Now then, the next step would be to go over to the customer number 95 and add that contract into customer number 95 as well, just exactly the same way that we entered it into this particular customer. Now as you begin to enter the tickets are going to show up very much like they have in any other contract. The contract number will appear when you enter the customer number. You will see the amount that is required, count down until it finally gets to the point where it's about filled. At this point, what I'd like to do is be able to show you what's going to happen with that final ticket, and then the other things that are going to need to be done once you're ready to price these deferred contract tickets. Now we're at a customer ticket screen, and we just about have this contract filled. Let me show you what's going to happen here as we will fill it with this. We're going to use customer 95, ticket number 7419. The date is 06/07/15. Notice the contract number is filled in. The gross on this, you do notice that it comes up and says we need 16,640 to fill it, and this particular ticket we're going to have weighs 20,000, and so we're going to overfill, and we'll look at what goes on with that. The moisture is 63.8, and the test weight is 11.53. Notice that the price is showing as 0, and that there is a deferred indicator down here indicating that it's deferred price. Also, you do see that it comes up, says it's going to overfill with this particular ticket, and just like regular contracts that are priced, we're going to need to take some action here on this ticket number 7419 when we're all done. But at this point, let's go ahead and add the ticket, and then we'll take a look at what needs to be done. All right, now then we'll examine change customer, go into customer number 95. We'll examine tickets, and you'll notice that sure enough there are two ticket number 7419s. They're both showing as deferred. If we'll look at the first one, you'll see that it has the contract number, so this is the amount that filled the contract. The second ticket is the overage, and this is the one that we've got to take some action on it. Let's assume that we'll just place it on the open storage, so we'll change the storage to an O and save that ticket so that the little bit of overage we'll deal with it at a later time. Now then, if we go look at the contract, we are showing, sure enough, that it is filled. 7,800's been delivered. If we look at the delivery report, sure enough, we will see that there is 7,800 and it's been delivered into these two contracts on various tickets. All right, now then, in order to price those tickets, what we need to do is use this function, price deferred tickets. We highlight the contract number that we're interested in, 3851. If there were multiple contracts here, you'd highlight the one that you want to do. Price deferred tickets, and it's going to show us now, first of all, this screen that has all the tickets listed, and you'll notice that there are tickets from customer number 90 as well as 95, and it's going to price them all here at one time. It shows you that the total that's been deferred is 7,800 bushels, which is just what the contract was for. Now then, let's assume the price is $3.86, and that we're going to price it on 08/02/15. Price deferred tickets, and that's all there is to it. We will have done two things here. We will have changed the price on the contract record itself, and we will have added, if we look at the tickets, the price onto all the tickets, remove the storage indicator, and added the date down here showing what date we actually did price those deferred tickets. That's pretty much all that's involved in using the deferred price contracts. Look for more videos in this series. Thank you very much.